Alright, Yogi Clan. Here we are getting ready to take a ride on Miss Piggy. Let's do it. Obligatory Instagram selfie. Let's do that. Looks like somebody's going to go do some work on Labor Day. Got his siding truck ready to roll. That sucks. I think I'm going to go for a ride on Labor Day. So welcome, Yogi Clan. Happy Labor Day to you all. I hope you're not having to labor today. What up, y'all? There are 3 guys who aren't laboring. Out having some fun on the scoots. So, current headlines, current news, what's going on? It looks like the Hurricane Dorian has hooked a right turn and is heading for South Carolina and North Carolina instead of Florida. Which is, I guess, good for the Floridian folks, but not so good for, like, the Charleston folks. All my friends that live down that way. And we're waiting to hear. We have a daughter who goes to school in Wilmington. Waiting to hear if they're going to evacuate her. And if that's the case, her roommate has a car. I think she'll be riding back here with her roommate because her roommate lives in this general area. So I don't have to worry about driving to Wilmington to go pick her up. Today, Labor Day, our church is having a huge potluck picnic. We do it every year. Let me tell you, man, there is some good food. There's probably, I'd say, at least 100 people who come to this potluck, and everybody brings something. There is usually more food than what can be eaten. Junior, one of the guys, cooks ribs on the grill, hamburgers, hot dogs. Let me tell you, those ribs are like meat fall off the bone awesome. So I am right now heading to Albemarle to go meet Jonathan, who's coming in from a couple hours away across the state. Gonna meet him in Albemarle and head back to the house. Yep, he's gonna go side those houses right there probably. Dude, it's Labor Day, yo. We're not supposed to be laboring. Maybe, you know, he didn't get the memo. Saw another fellow YouTuber. Oh, why is his name? He watches my videos too, so now I'm gonna feel really bad because I can't remember his YouTube name. Oh, it's right there in the tip of my tongue too. I'll post a screenshot of his name, that way y'all can check out his videos. But he's got this sweet Sucker Punch Sally ride, and I was listening to it yesterday and watching his video. Man, that bike sounded awesome, and it made me want to take Miss Piggy out for a ride. So here I am, bringing you a quick little moto vlog about nothing, because I ain't got nothing to say on Miss Piggy. So maybe we can enjoy a few minutes together talking about nothing. The hurricane that's going to hit, and picnic and food. What else is there? So I pulled the engine out of the Nomad this weekend. Today I'm going to get, it's on the floor. Dang, that thing is heavy, y'all. Well, that is the first engine I've ever pulled out of a bike, but holy crap, that sucker's heavy. Leo and I lifted it off the table, off the motorcycle lift, and put it on the floor, carried it over to the floor next to the workbench. Today I'm going to try to get it up on top of the workbench. So this week we can start tearing into it. That's the goal. Start tearing into it this week. So a couple videos coming. Would ask you to hit that subscribe button so when they post up, you will know. It will go into your feed. Hit the notification bell. That way you know, hey, Yogi's got another video out. Let me go check it out. And then when you watch it, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, because that helps drive traffic to the channel. Not much else going on, man. It's been fairly kind of quiet, which is really pretty cool. Just gonna enjoy the day on the Fatboy. So maybe what I'll do is shut up now, just play a few clips of this ride with a little bit of background music. So I hope you all have a safe and an awesome Labor Day. I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, y'all. Peace.